Dear learners, in this video, I am going to show you the demonstration of how to download and install DU Recorder. So now let's start. Open Google and type DU Recorder or DU Recorder for Windows download. Press enter. So you can see the first official site of DU Recorder. Now click on the DU Recorder. This is the official website of DU Recorder, durecorder.com. So you can see it is available in the number of versions. So it is compatible with the Apple's Mac OS, Windows operating system compatibility. Then it is also compatible with the Android version. You can see the features of DU Recorder, that is a screen recorder software. It provides the high quality videos. So it also provides the video editing, live stream, screenshot and image editing, etc. So let's start. I have installed the Windows operating system on my PC, so I will choose the version which is compatible with the Windows OS. So click on PC version. You can see downloading is started here. Now you can see downloading is completed here. So click on the corner of that executable file, or you can run this executable setup by using a double click. I will open it in the folder. So click on show in folder. Here it is the file. Right click on it. Run as administrator. Yes. So setup wizard is started here. Click on next. Install. So installation is completed here. You can launch the DU Recorder right now. So check the checkbox and finish. You can see the user interface of DU Recorder like this. So you can launch the DU Recorder from the start menu also. Click on the start and select the DU Recorder. So see, in this user interface of DU Recorder, there are some tabs available at the top. This is the record screen, recorded video, stream live and settings. So see first record screen. If you want to record the screen of your desktop, then you can click on the start record button. So it will start the recording of your desktop. Now see the second tab, recorded video. So in this panel you can see your recorded video. When you stop your recording, so it will be appear in this panel. So you can double click on any video and you can see the preview of that video. Next tab is the stream live. So this setting is used for the live streaming. So here is the server URL. You can live stream your videos on YouTube, Facebook and Twitch, etc. This is the live resolution. You can set different resolutions. Then audio input is only microphone. So you can start the streaming by clicking on this button. So see the settings. This is the default video location. You can change the location by clicking on the change button. You can select any drive or any folder and select the folder. So I will cancel it. Now see, this is the video recording hotkey. So Control F4, it is the key to start the video recording. You can also change this hotkey by using this change button. Next is the FPS. 30 FPS, it is the standard rate for the recording frame per second. So camera, if you want camera in your screen, then you can click on the yes, so it will show the adjust camera. So you can confirm button is here. So when click on the confirm, it will show the camera on your screen. I will cancel it. So you can see my webcam is accessed by the DU recorder. Now I will close it. Now see the next setting. If you don't want the camera, select the no, then close the webcam. Now use the audio input, only microphone. There are other options also, but use only microphone. Hide the floating window. There are two options, yes, no. So it will show the shortcut button for the video recording on your desktop. Now let's see the how to record any video on DU recording. So now click on the start button. But when you click on the start button, it will record including your user interface of DU recorder. If you want to avoid it, then you can minimize the DU recorder and press the shortcut key, that is a Control F4. Okay, so I will start by clicking on the start recording to show the demonstration of DU recorder. So click on the start. So recording is started here. I will minimize this. So this is the official website of DU recorder. So DU recorder is available on the App Store. This is the PC version. If you want to install the DU recorder on the Windows machine, then you can download it from here. This is the Android version of the DU recorder. You can use this version for your Android mobile. So this is about the recording. Now I will stop the DU recorder. So you can see your recorded video here. You can see the preview by double clicking on it. So I will start the video. This is the small demonstration of recording videos using the DU recorder. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.